Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make peanut butter garlic chili sauce. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 cup of roasted peanuts, 4 cloves of fresh garlic, and 2 tablespoons of dried chili flakes. Also, have on hand a good quality oil, like vegetable or peanut oil, along with a few teaspoons of sugar and a pinch of salt. These simple components will create a delicious and versatile sauce. Now let's prepare our base. If your peanuts aren't roasted, lightly toast them in a dry pan for about 5 minutes until they become fragrant. Let them cool completely. Next, place the cooled peanuts into a food processor and blend them into a coarse meal. Be careful not to overprocess them into a butter. Then, add the 2 tablespoons of dried chili flakes and pulse briefly until finely chopped. Next, we'll infuse our oil with flavor. Heat 3 tablespoons of your chosen oil in a small saucepan over medium heat. Add the 4 minced garlic cloves and sauté them for about 2 to 3 minutes until they turn a beautiful golden brown and release their aromatic scent. Immediately pour this hot, fragrant garlic oil over your peanut and chili mixture, stirring vigorously to ensure everything is well combined. For the final touches, add 1 teaspoon of sugar and a half teaspoon of salt to your sauce. Stir everything thoroughly until the sugar and salt are completely dissolved. Now, taste your delicious creation and adjust the seasoning to your preference. You might want a little more sweetness or saltiness. Transfer your finished peanut butter garlic chili sauce into an airtight jar and store it in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks of enjoyment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.